Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out today and hope you're all doing well. We're going to be chatting all about nails and lashes, and I'm going to share with you a how-to video on how to apply these nails from the brand Kiss as well as these 3D mink effect lashes from Kiss. So I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Before we begin, I just wanted to thank today's sponsor, Dollar General and Kiss Products, for partnering with me for today's video. Kiss lashes were the first ones I ever used, as well as the Kiss lash glue. It really is such an honor and just feel so grateful to have this opportunity to partner with Kiss Products and Dollar General. I'm going to be sharing with you how I apply these beautiful nails from the brand Kiss, and I think you could tell it's definitely my aesthetic. It's got like the mauvey pink as well as the marble. I think it is so beautiful. Recently had to cut my nails because they started to split and it was just time for a fresh start, but I wanted to do it myself, and these are a really good alternative because it is super affordable. And also I'm going to share with you how to apply these lashes from the brand Kiss. These are the Kiss Mink Effect lashes, which do have the 3D volume, but they are so lightweight. So let's first start with the nails because the application is fairly easy. The great thing about Kiss nails are that they're available in many different styles as well as different nail lengths. You have short, medium, and long. Right now I'm feeling the long, so it just really depends on your mood as well as the occasion. You first want to start with clean manicured nails, and one of the most important things I would have to say is to make sure you push back your cuticles just so that once you apply your nail, it's flush against your cuticle. Today we're using the Kiss Fantasy Ready to Wear Amazing Gel Look Nails in the style Peer Pressure, which are absolutely beautiful, and they contain 24 different nails. So the first thing we want to do is find the correct size to fit each finger. When finding the correct size, you want to make sure that it completely covers your nail. You don't want large gaps on the side. That just means that it's too small. So you want to just keep going through each and every nail to make sure you find the one that covers your nail completely or as much as possible. If you find that the nail is too large, you can actually also file down the sides just so that it fits your nail perfectly. Once you find the correct size for each finger, you want to make sure that you group these nails together just so that it doesn't get confused with the rest of the nails. To adhere the nail, we will be using the Kiss Brush-On Nail Glue, which applies like polish. It has a brush-on applicator, and the glue on this really does bond well to your natural nail, so you know that your nails will be long-lasting. Just a little tip, I normally start with my pointer finger, not with my thumb. I leave that one to the very last. What you first want to do is take the first nail, flip it over, and apply the glue to the part that will be touching your natural nail. Then you want to apply the glue to your natural nail, making sure you coat everything. And then take the Kiss nail and apply it to your natural nail. Make sure you hold down for about 20 to 30 seconds just so that it adheres well. Then you can move on to the next finger. Another tip is that you can flip over all of the nails just so that you can easily brush on the glue without having to manually flip over each and every nail. Either way works, so it's just really all your personal preference. So basically, we're just going to go ahead, apply the nails to each and every finger, and then lastly, we will apply the nail to the thumb. So here's one hand all completed with the nails from Kiss, and I absolutely just love the way how it turned out. Now we can move on to the other hand, repeating the same process. Here are both hands completed with the Kiss nails. I just love the design, the length of the nails, and most importantly, I love how easy it was to apply these nails. So I hope you found that helpful. So now let's move on to the lashes. The lashes we're going to be using today, these are from the brand Kiss, and these are the Mink Effect collection in the style Dame. These just look very fluffy and voluminous. The lash glue we will be using is also from the brand Kiss, and this is the Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive in black. And it says that it's safe on skin, it's waterproof, ophthalmologist tested, hypoallergenic, latex free, formaldehyde free. We are going to take the lashes off of the container very carefully. Normally start with the outer edge and then pull it gently Just like that. And the band on this pretty thin and flexible, which is a major plus. You want to wiggle this back and forth just so that the band is flexible. So the next thing we want to do is measure the lash to see if we need to trim any of the edges off. You want to place the lash as close as possible to your lash line to see if we need to trim a bit off the ends. And yes, we need to trim off just a slight bit on the end. You don't want the end of the lash band just to be kind of hanging out. You want it to be pretty much the exact fit of your eye. So we're just trimming just a slight bit. Take our Kiss lash glue. You want to apply a thin layer, close as possible to the band. Add the most to the inner corner and the outer corner because that's where sometimes you can get a bit of lifting. Then we're going to wait about 30 seconds until it gets nice and tacky so that we can apply it as close as possible to our lash line. Take the lash, I'm actually holding it just by the outer corner. We're going to place this as close as possible to the lash line. Place the center first. Then the outer corner, and then the inner corner. You want to just press it together. There we go. We have one side on. Now let's move on to the other. Just a little tip, when I apply my lashes, I like to have my mirror just a little bit lower. And yes, there we go. I'm going to trim a little bit off the end. Bit of lash glue to the band. So it's been about 30 seconds. Now we want to place this first right on the center, close as possible to the lash line, and then of course the outer corner, and then the inner corner. You want to just kind of press it just so that it really adheres to that lash line. So let me show you how the lashes look close up. So I added a bit of eyeshadow and mascara to my bottom lash line just to balance out the eyes. But I think you can tell that adding lashes just really elevates your eye look. These, in my opinion, aren't super dramatic. I feel like they're still lashes that you can even wear every day because they are very fluttery. They are very lightweight, and I love the band of these because they are thin, they're bendable, they're flexible, and they are so lightweight. But not to worry, if this style isn't your jam, you definitely can check out their website, which I will link down below because they do have a large selection to choose from. You definitely get salon quality nails and lashes for a fraction of the price. So please let me know if you've tried any of the Kiss Mink Effect lashes or the Kiss Fantasy Ready to Wear amazing gel look nails. Would love to get your feedback on these. Also, make sure you check out the links down below in the description box, which will take you to Dollar General. Thank you again so much to Dollar General and Kiss for sponsoring today's video. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chicky, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.